5 tips for traveling with a special needs child. Traveling with a special needs child can be challenging, but careful preparation and the right strategies can help ensure a smoother experience for everyone involved. Whether you're planning a short road trip or a longer flight, here are 5 essential tips to consider. Legal considerations for traveling with a special needs child. When traveling with a special needs child, it's important to ensure that you have all the necessary documentation and legal preparations in place. Depending on your child's condition, you may need to carry medical records, doctor's notes, or prescriptions. These can be crucial if your child requires special accommodations during your trip, such as early boarding on flights, extra medical supplies, or the use of mobility aids. If your child takes medication, especially controlled substances, it's vital to carry a doctor's letter explaining the medication's purpose. This can help prevent potential legal issues when going through airport security or crossing international borders. Ensuring that all prescriptions are clearly labeled in their original containers is another crucial step. It's also worth considering whether guardianship documents or travel consent forms are needed, particularly if your child is traveling without both parents or across borders. A lawyer can assist in ensuring all necessary paperwork is in order, minimizing the risk of complications during your travels. 5 essential tips for traveling with a special needs child. Plan thoroughly in advance before any trip. Research your destination to ensure it is suitable for your child's specific needs. Check accessibility features of accommodations, such as elevators, ramps, and accessible bathrooms. You should also consider the availability of nearby medical facilities in case of emergencies. If you're flying, notify the airline about your child's needs in advance to arrange any necessary accommodations. Pack with care. Create a checklist of all essential items your child will need during the trip. This should include any special medical equipment, medications, favorite snacks, and comfort items like blankets or toys. Packing extra supplies, especially for medical needs, ensures you're prepared for delays or other unexpected situations. Prepare for airport security. Airports can be stressful environments, especially for children with special needs. To ease the process, contact the airport or airline ahead of time to inquire about accommodations such as early boarding or fast-track security screenings. Be prepared to explain any medical devices or special equipment your child may be using to security personnel. Stick to routines when possible. Maintaining your child's usual routine can help them adjust to the changes and stress of travel. Whether it's sticking to regular meal times, sleep schedules, or including familiar activities, preserving these routines can provide a sense of stability. Bring along familiar items, such as pillows or toys, that can make a new environment feel more comfortable for your child. Have contingency plans. Even with the best planning, unexpected events can happen. Be prepared with backup plans, such as knowing the locations of nearby hospitals or pharmacies. Having extra food, medications, and entertainment options can help if you encounter delays or changes in your itinerary. It's also a good idea to prepare your child for the possibility of changes, explaining in a way they can understand. The process of preparing for travel with a special needs child. Understanding the process of travel preparation is key to avoiding potential complications. Begin by consulting with your child's healthcare providers to ensure they are fit for travel and obtain any necessary medical records or certifications. This might include a letter from your child's doctor specifying their condition and outlining any necessary accommodations. Be sure to also check the specific regulations of your destination regarding special needs care and medical equipment. Next, reach out to airlines, hotels, and other service providers in advance to arrange necessary accommodations. Many companies are more than willing to help, but they need advance notice to make the arrangements. If you're traveling internationally, it may also be necessary to research the country's healthcare system to ensure that medical care will be available in case of an emergency. Lastly, consult an attorney if there are any legal considerations to address, such as guardianship documents or legal consent forms for travel. An attorney can review your plans and advise you on any additional steps to take, especially if traveling involves complex medical or legal requirements. If you need further assistance with legal preparations for traveling with a special needs child, consider reaching out to us at the Matus Law Group. Contact us at 732-785-4453 and visit our office at 125 Half Mile Road number 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey 07701. Our knowledge can help ensure your trip goes as smoothly as possible.